You know, didn't think I had to make a part 2 of this. Like, I'm a year late, but I figured out what it was. Well, my mechanic did. So right here, if you can see that there's a trim piece right here, but I don't have that. I just had tape on it for the meantime. So I was driving on the freeway. I lost that trim piece, and I didn't think it was like nothing important. That same day, I took the car to a car wash. I washed it, took it home. The next day, it didn't start. He told me that water went in here, and it went all in here where the ECU's at. I mean, the fuse box. So the fuse box got fried, and it fried the ECU. So from there, I had to get a new fuse box and an ECU, and I had to get the car reprogrammed. I noticed that a lot of people are having like this problem, like this little thing, and then the harness got like fucked up. But for me, it was that he said that he noticed it was that because when I had the car in ignition, the fans were turned on and the fuel pump wouldn't go. I replaced the fuel pump, the crankshaft sensors, and nothing happened. So I decided to take it to a mechanic, and he told me it was that. I will insert a video of it when it turned on, or try to turn on, and like you'll hear the fans. Other than that, that's how I got my car back and running. You know, I was just trying to show you guys, because I've seen a lot of videos that does not explain how they got it started. And, you know, they're pretty shit videos. I don't know if this video's gonna help, but I'm just saying, you know, just telling you guys should check this, see if you guys have a hole right here that water could go in. So yeah, you know, hope the video helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer.